Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Giantex miniature washer on the market. The Giantex GX10768US-GR-PF mini washing machine in gray and white. If you're living in a small space or need a compact, efficient solution for your laundry, this is definitely worth checking out. This mini washing machine offers a smart 2-in-1 design that combines both washing and spinning functions in a single tub. This integration not only saves energy but also streamlines the entire laundry process, making it much easier to manage your clothes without needing multiple machines. Despite its compact size, the machine packs a punch with a washing capacity of 5.5 pounds. That's plenty of room for everyday household laundry like shirts, pants, and small loads. Its powerful 170-watt motor drives a high-performance turbine that creates an efficient swirling wash. This ensures your clothes get cleaned thoroughly while saving you time and electricity. Operating the Giantex mini washer couldn't be simpler. It features a rotating control timer where you can easily set the washing time up to 10 minutes and spinning time up to 5 minutes. You just load your clothes, add water, set the timer, and start the cycle. Plus, the included drain hose makes emptying the water hassle-free, helping you keep your space clean and dry. The dimensions of this unit are just 14 by 13.5 by 20 inches, making it a perfect fit for apartments, dorms, RVs, or any tight living quarters. Weighing only 11 pounds, it's also incredibly portable. You can move it around or store it away when it's not in use without any struggle. One of the standout features is the transparent lid that allows you to monitor your laundry as it washes. This is a thoughtful touch for anyone who likes to keep an eye on their clothes without interrupting the cycle. The machine's body is made from durable plastic that resists rust and moisture damage, ensuring longevity even in damp environments. Stability is also well considered with non-slip foot pads that keep the washer steady on uneven surfaces and protect your floors from scratches. There's no complicated installation process required, so you can start using it right out of the box. Running on a standard 110-volt power supply, this washing machine is designed primarily for the US market, so if you're ordering internationally, a voltage converter might be necessary. The simple control knob and compact build make it user-friendly for people of all ages and experience levels. In summary, the Giantex GX10768US-GR-PF mini washing machine offers a powerful, compact, and convenient laundry solution for small spaces. Its combined washing and spinning functions, easy operation, portability, and durable design make it an excellent choice for anyone needing an efficient and space-saving washer. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more detailed product reviews. See you in the next one.